Have you ever wondered how NASA prepares the next generation of scientists and engineers for life in space? Today, we're diving into NASA's Space Life Sciences Training Program, or SLSTP, and how students get hands-on experience with real space research. SLSTP is NASA's summer internship program for high school, undergraduate, and graduate students. It's designed to train young scientists in space life sciences, preparing them for the challenges of research in microgravity and beyond. Students work alongside NASA scientists on projects that could impact the future of space exploration, from growing plants in space to studying human health in zero gravity. The program is open to college and university students in STEM fields. NASA selects candidates based on academic achievement, passion for space, and research potential. During SLSTP, students work on cutting-edge projects such as studying how microgravity affects human cells, developing techniques to grow plants for long-duration space missions, exploring ways to keep astronauts healthy on the Moon and Mars. These projects give students real-world experience and contribute to NASA's ongoing mission to explore the solar system safely and sustainably. SLSTP isn't just about research. Students also gain mentorship from NASA scientists, networking opportunities with experts in space exploration, hands-on lab and simulation experience for future careers. Graduates of the program often go on to careers in NASA, academia, and private space companies, helping humanity explore beyond Earth. Applications for SLSTP 2025 are open now. Interested students should check out NASA's official website for eligibility details, deadlines, and tips on submitting a standout application. NASA's SLSTP is more than a summer program. It's a stepping stone to the stars. If you're passionate about space and science, this is your chance to make a real impact. Like, subscribe, comment.